After more than 1 year since the Fenix 7 series launched, the Fenix 8 series is now ready to make its debut. The 5K runner has secured the full press release, and there's a lot to be excited about. These new multisport watches come in various sizes and offer a choice between a vibrant AMOLED display or a solar-powered MIP display. Packed with advanced features for outdoor sports and health tracking, the Fenix 8 series also includes a built-in speaker, microphone, and a bright LED flashlight. Garmin has been setting the standard for multi-sport watches for over a decade with innovative features, high-quality materials, and unique designs. With the Fenix 8, Garmin pushes the boundaries even further. For the first time, you can choose between a stunning AMOLED display or an enhanced MIP display with solar charging for extended battery life. The Fenix 8 also introduces advanced strength training features, diving profiles, and Garmin's Share functionality, making it the most powerful Fenix yet. If battery life is important to you, the 51mm AMOLED model lasts up to 29 days in smartwatch mode, while the 51mm solar model with its always-on display can last up to 48 days. Displays and sizes. Choose between a vibrant AMOLED display or a power-saving MIP display with solar charging. The 51mm MIP version delivers 50% more solar power compared to its predecessor. AMOLED models are available in 43mm, 1.3 inches, 47mm, 1.4 inches, or 51mm, 1.4 inches, while MIP versions come in 47mm, 1.3 inches, or 51mm, 1.4 inches. Durable design. All models feature waterproof metal buttons, a new side-mounted sensor guard, and meet US military standards for heat, shock, and water resistance. High-end materials such as titanium or stainless steel bezels and scratch-resistant sapphire or Gorilla Glass ensure durability in tough conditions. Speaker and microphone. Paired with your smartphone, you can make calls directly from the watch. Voice commands work even without a phone connection, allowing you to start workouts, set timers, or save waypoints with ease. LED flashlight. Adjust the brightness through the display and select from different intensities, including a red light or strobe mode for better visibility during nighttime activities. Sports-specific training plans. Whether you're into trail running or diving, the Fenix 8 offers tailored training plans to improve strength and endurance while minimizing injury risk. Diving functions support recreational diving, single gas, and free diving up to 40 meters deep, with official diving certification and waterproofing. Garmin Messenger app. Send text messages directly from the smartwatch to friends and family, keeping you connected on the go. Premium maps and dynamic routing. Pre-installed topo maps for Europe, golf, and ski maps help you stay on track. The watch will automatically recalculate routes based on your target distance from the starting point if you go off-route. Garmin Share. Easily share routes, workouts, and locations with other compatible Garmin products. With these upgrades, the Fenix 8 series is setting a new benchmark for multi-sport watches. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates in the next video.